Hey guys, we received this Yoobure nightstand with a charging station for test and try. So this comes in a nice box. So let's open and see what's inside. So this is a nightstand with a four drawers with a bedside table and a LED dresser with a storage shelf. So this is all the unboxing thing. So you can see the parts. This is white in color. So they have the other color option that you can see on the website or on Amazon. And then this is the power outlet. Uh, the drawers, they have a fabric drawers. So it's a three-tier uh, wood and table, and you can use it anywhere you want. So I have the LED light as well. I'm just taking all the stuff first and then show it to you. So the total height I will say is around 23.7 inches and can hold up to a 60 lbs of the weight. And the width is around 24.5 inches. The each fabric drawer is around 6.5 inch in height and 10.8 inch in the width. So this is the manual, provide everything, all the instructions. So this one is the pretty straightforward, and then these are all the accessories and the nuts and the supplies with a screwdriver and thing. So we can just start making this. So all these tools are provided, so you don't need to arrange it. So let me just start making. So the manual, all the number and everything is marked. So the marking will help actually to adjust thing. And you can see like these all parts. So the numbers are here and the otherwise the numbers on the tools or the accessories. So you can just put in here all the feet and then arrange these. So you can see like it's like a Lego design thing that you can use. So I put in the two legs and then in middle part. So I will just show it quickly to save the time. Once you put in the drawer and here is the things and the final product. So you can see it have this LED light connection and this have a remote as well. So you can choose it from here. From the top there is a outlet, power outlet with the USB and the power switches. So that's pretty cool because you can just put in your mobile or anything to charge while in the night on the side. And this the fabric drawer, good size. The handle are golden. So looks really nice and handy with these four drawers with ample space and also a three-tier design. And you can use this LED light as a night lamp or for any other purpose. So a very nice design and a nightstand table with the four drawers. So this have three USB ports with a 5 volt per 2 ampere and the two AC outlet with 125 volt, and the power outlet is around 6.6 feet. So you can see, so two USB on the top, one on the back bottom, just for this LED light. So there are three USB like that. So two on the top, so you can use two and then one for the LED light below this. So nice design with remote control and everything in place so that you can have the time and then the LED strip. So this LED light can also work with your music. So it's have a built-in mic and the timing function as well. So it's a very nice combination for the nightstand. So just trying to give a little night scene how the light looks. So very nice bright lights and the music sync function as well. So hope you liked it and this nightstand will be useful to you in all your other stuff.